Join us and discover beautiful beaches, rugged landscapes, pretty towns, desolate mountain ranges that sweep down to stunning lakes, unique architecture, history and folklore, no shamrocks, no shillelaghs, and definitely no shenanigans. Just naked Ireland. So these are our ingredients for the big Irish fry-up. It's perhaps not the healthy option, but we Irish have been eating fry-ups for years, and sure, we're some of the best looking men and women on the face of the planet. On goes the gas. And I've some sunflower oil in the pan here, so this is perhaps our first break with tradition. Obviously sunflower oil wasn't available in Ireland when I was growing up, but it's an alternative to me cooking with lard, the consequences of which would have had me in the grave some considerable years ago. We've the sausages in the pan now. Now I'm a fan of lovely bespoke butcher sausages. My local butcher does a lovely pork and sweet chilli, but our chef here wouldn't hear of such fancy sausages and instead insisted on a well-known traditional Irish supermarket brand. And then we cut up some black pudding. Now this is the Rolls Royce of black puddings, Clonakilty, from the town of the same name. And we half a soda farl, very important ingredient this. And in goes the bacon to sizzle away. Now just while that's cooking, please like and subscribe if this film's interesting or informative. And remember, you can now donate to Naked Ireland by buying me a pint. Follow the link to the donation page in the second paragraph of the description below the video. Every donation is gratefully received and helps keep the videos coming. Give the sausages a bit of an old turn here too. Then flip the bacon over. Looking good. And then we pop in some Clonakilty black pudding. Other brands are also available. Again, I'm not receiving sponsorship of any kind here, but Clonakilty, if you're out there. But just footer around with this for a bit. Make sure that everything's well cooked. Before we get all the meat products out of the pan, vegetarians look away. Now you gotta admit that looks good. And then we'll wrap these up to keep them warm while we get on with frying the bread. In goes 2 whacks of soda bread, followed by 2 slices of potato bread. Now, if you're outside Ireland, you might find these bread products difficult to source. I guess you could probably bake them yourself, although that sounds a bit chefy. Turn the farls and the teddy bread. These absorb all the oil and fat, and so could well be even less healthy than the meat. But get it into you. In truth though, fries like these were much more common when I was growing up. A fry nowadays, if I'm honest, might be a weekly treat. They've been a traditional hangover cure for many years, so it would have been common to have a fry on a Saturday or Sunday morning after a big feed of pints the night before. Not exactly a low-calorie weekend. And now the eggs. Now this isn't a hotel, so it's not the end of the world if a yolk breaks open. It's all going to end up in the same place. Now a couple of clarifications here. Baked beans have no place in an Irish fry-up in my opinion. They're an abomination and must be avoided at all costs. But you could certainly fry off a few mushrooms if you wanted the 5-star treatment here. And back to the plating up. Take the meat out of its wee silver blanket. Black pudding first. Then a few strips of bacon. Followed by the sausages. Now that looks great. But what kind of fine wine would one drink with such haute cuisine, I hear you ask? There you go. Another 210 calories. You know, Guinness has less calories than most beers. Probably just as well after we get all this into us. Now we'll do the YouTube drone shot over the plates. What another masterpiece of high-end chefing. Perfect for that romantic evening meal. Like, subscribe and donate if you feel you can. And I'll see you all in the next Make in Ireland video.